Well, today we are going to work on toning our muscles, and it doesn't come easy, right? It takes time, takes dedication, and we're going to use the rebounder. We're doing 7 easy steps. Come on and join me. Use whatever size weights you want to use. Start with good posture. Engage that core. Relax the shoulders. Your knees are soft. They're slightly bent. Start by the health bounce, pushing down on the mat. And let's just make sure you're already warmed up, okay? Health bounce and bicep curl. You can start with light weights and then you can go up if you want to 5 pounds. These are 2 pounds I'm using. It's a great way to get toned on the rebounder and adding the weights. Do about 12 of those and relax. And again, ready? Squeeze that bicep as you come up. Okay, you can do 2 to 3 sets of those. Then we're going to go to our second step, which is an out-in. You can step out and in like that, or you can bounce and do a lateral, side lateral. We have great light today here in South Florida. This is also a half jack with the side lateral raise. Keeping it low, we're not jumping too high. All right, rest. All right, again, ready? We have a little tropical music, a little reggae. Good, all right, so do 2 to 3 sets of those. Now, let's do heel digs to the front, push down. Bicep curl. I'm going to switch. Now I'm not squeezing the dumbbell, I'm squeezing the bicep. So you want to loosen the grip. Make it a little harder. You can add a little bounce. You really have to engage the core on this one. You do not want to put pressure on your back. All right, rest. Ready to do that again? Let's go. Rest. Good. All right. Now we're going to go to our fourth step, which is a push back. So we're going to push back with one leg like this, and we're going to do a tricep kick back. Isolate the tricep muscle. Keep it close to your body. About 12 of those. Switch to the other side. Close to your side. Do a stagger step. Keep the leg you're standing on, keep it bent. Working on balance and coordination. And isolating that tricep. Good. Rest. Let's do it again on the other side. Lean slightly, bent over. Keep it to the side and push back. Squeeze the tricep, squeeze. You can do a split step like this, or you can do both with push back. Woo! Other side. All right, shake that out. Now we're going to do an overhead press or a shoulder press with squats. Pushing the hips back. So we want to squat, push the hips back, push back, and then up. As you come up, squat and press. Squat, press. Give me 1 second. Let's do that again. Squat, press, squat, and press. Good. Shake it out. Let's go again. Ready? Squat and press. The rebounder or mini trampoline is a brilliant way to get fit. Get your body fit. Toning, shaping. Great for circulation. All right, keep going. A few more. Good. Good. Let's go front to back. Front to back like this. That's your basic one if you're not jumping with the lateral, front lateral. If you want to jump, you can bounce, double bounce. Really brace that core. Keep it tight. Like somebody gonna hit you in the stomach. Eight to 12 of those. And shake it out. All right, let's go back to doubles. Double front, double back. Again, if you want to step instead of bounce, it's up to you. All right, so we're just doing 2 sets of each today, but I recommend that you do 3 sets. All right, last one. Knees up. But the knees are going to be to the corner, and you're going to do a pull down. All right, so bring your arms up, pull and crunch. Working the waist, the obliques, crunch, pull. You're going to start feeling it in your shoulders. All right, rest. One more set. So those were your 7 steps, your help bounce, half jack, heel digs, push back. We did squats, we did front to back, and finally the knee up with a pull down. Finish strong. Good. Good. All right, put those down. Let's shake it out. That's it. Shake it out a little bit. Go back to a health bounce. And a little stretching. And remember on your health bounce, we're pushing with the heels, using the whole body. Getting those toxins out, bacteria, anything going on in your body, let's get it out. All right, now stretch overhead. Blow that air out. And bring the arm around. Let's just cool down a minute. And the other one. Stretch. Good. And now open up the chest. This is one of my favorites. Clasp your hands in the back. Soft knees. Come down to a squat. Bend over. Bring your arms as high as you can. And drop your arms and squat all the way. Come up 1 vertebrae at a time. I love this one. Feels so good. And we are through for the day. Thank you so much for joining me. You know what to do. Come on. I'll see you next time. Bye.